Okay, so here's my J9, and I'm showing what error I'm getting. Well, no error, just the round dial on the top does not function. It'll come on. I just also loaded it with new beans. Here we go. Orange light went off in the dial. And looks like it's ready, right? So you should be able to turn this. Notice it will not turn at all. Frozen. If you hit it, it just beeps. That's where I'm at. Now keep in mind that I can still make it turn. Of course, I didn't take the rinsing water out, but you get the idea. And there we go. So I'm not really sure what's going on with the dial. If anyone has any suggestions, please let me know.